friends, Miss Christin here. I have some outdoor activities that you can do with your little one. A sidewalk is very helpful, or a driveway. If you've got spray chalk, you can do this in your yard as well. But I wanted to share just a couple of ideas. First, we are going to start with one of my favorite songs that we do in toddler tunes that you can do with your little one. Let me put my plate down. It's the jump, hop, and clap song. You can jump, jump, jump. You can hop, hop, hop. You can clap, clap, clap. You can stop, stop, stop. You can nod your head for yes. You can shake your head for no. You can bend your knees a little and sit down slow. And you can do that as many times as you want to wear them out, but 2 times is usually good. Next, we are going to do a shape and color jump activity. So you'll just need more than one color of chalk. Woo, there's a tree. There's a tree. And I just drew circles, triangles, and squares. So you can say, can you hop to the yellow circle? And they can hop to the yellow circle. Or you can just use the shape if your little one doesn't know colors, or vice versa. You can say, can you stand on 2 yellow shapes? And they can split their legs. You can have them hop from circle to triangle to square. And they can even draw these out. So this can be something that they can help you set up for. Another activity, and we are going to have these in the library so you're able to take these home with you and make yourself. Paper plates, cut the center out, and take a paper towel tube or a toilet paper roll, and you can just do a ring toss. Haha! Yeah! Gonna go to the Olympics. Okay, clearly I'm really good at this. So maybe move it farther out. You know, it's just a try. We'll try things. And another activity that we've got with our paper plates is we will take a paper plate and you will write the alphabet, or your little one can write the alphabet. I will say spacing is hard. Harder than I want to really admit. But you can take this outside and you can go on a walk and you can say, if you see a bird, fold down the letter B. If you see a rock, fold down the letter R. It can be anything, and you can try to go all the way around the paper plate. This would be great for the car as well if you've got a long car ride. So there'll be a paper plate in your bag as well, so you can do this at home. And the last activity is one that I definitely recommend for outside, and it is the water hop game. So you can draw 2 lines, you can do a start line, and you can ask your little one how far they can hop with a cup of water without spilling any. They'll spill it, but that's just part of the fun, especially if we're hot and we're outside. So, sorry. There you go. I wish you could see Amanda who's filming this for me. She's a little wet. But it's fun. You have fun, your little ones have fun. It's nothing crazy. Like I said, we will have little make and take bags inside the library where you can come and grab paper plates. We'll have some toilet paper tubes and cups, but you guys probably have some stuff at home. So make sure you come and say hi. You guys are welcome to check out books. We aren't open for browsing, but you can put them on hold and we'll have them on the hold shelf. We do have curbside still. And as soon as we know any more about when we'll be able to open to the public or programs, we will let you know. I hope everybody's staying safe, and we hope to see you guys soon. Bye.